Oh, the ring.
Love the ring.
I love the ring. So the story about ring, I got it on November 14th. So that's when he proposed to me before our actual engagement ceremony. So it was a huge surprise for me. He didn't tell me that. He did tell me we're gonna pick up the ring after the ceremony happens, like the engagement ceremony afternoon. And then I was a little sad that I'm not able to get a ring on the time. So we went there to get a dinner, but suddenly he said, let's just drop by to this one nice place that I really like. And then I did go there. And then he was trying to show me something. It was actually amazing. It was like proper surprise that's been planned. And this is my ring. Again, I love my ring. Oh, he said so many sweet things. Huh? You tell them what you told me that day.
I told her, again, I got on one knee and I was just telling her the truth that she was really beautiful, that I was really lucky to get her. Yeah, sat down, I guess, just told the same thing. You know, like, okay, this is an arranged marriage, we haven't really met anything. I was very unsure about the kind of woman I would be getting. You would hope you'd get the right kind of woman with the right qualities that's good for you. The favorite quality, the one that I think I love about her is that I can be myself in front of her. I don't really have to change myself. I think she's given that non-judgmental space to me where I don't really have to worry about, okay, what is she gonna think, what is she gonna say. I'm really happy that worked out. I'm really happy that I have that space, and I know I will have that space.
You will. He's very patient. That's what I felt like. Well, at least to me. In my case, he was really patient. No matter how many times or whatever. This is arranged marriage, right? So we don't really know each other. So I used to keep pestering him on lots of questions. I'm like, what is this? What if this happens? He was always patient. No matter how many times I asked the same question, every woman would obviously like the guy who doesn't get pissed after answering twice. He was very patient. I was like, okay, he can handle me a little bit. So I thought, okay, fine. And then, so yeah, that is something that I thought that should be in my partner, and he does have it. proposal changed everything, I would say. We actually started getting to know each other more from November 1st, I guess. So, yeah, that
More
proposal change is a game changer, I would say, for both of us.
It'll be really joyous, really calm, with a bit of chaos. And
Chaos
a bit
will be there.
of, a bit of chaos that she'll take care.
Yeah.
And a lot of joy and happiness. For family and friends.
Yep.
ఆరు బాగా నేను ఇప్పుడు అబ్బాయి అమ్మాయిని చూపిస్తున్నాను